Okay, today's vlog is about Cruiser Island. Let's go.
Your destination is on the right.
Good morning. These are the dinghies we're gonna be going on. There, the island we're going to is about there. This is Phuket Yacht Club. Nice place to check out. That's a sunken ship, boat, yacht, whatever. We are on our way to Cruiser Island. John, this is Ning, Kuning. That was John. So what you see back there is a stealth catamaran, a Fez, owned by Java as well. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Good.
Oh, yeah.
So let me introduce you to the island a bit. This is the resort right here. Food area, the pool area, right? These people are just chilling. You can stay overnight. Sand's kind of hot. This is so much better. So this is where a bunch of schools actually also come for IA trips. They stay here, have a campfire going on. And about that area behind it, we'll see we can either get there ourselves. Kai's gotta hide right now. Or do drone shot. Welcome back to the ground. We have some kayaks here, some places to sit and chill. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, on our way back now. There's supposed to be some volunteers learning how to sail. We have one girl ready to go, remote and the drone. Let's get this baby up.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Yes, ma'am.
Take off.
Successful flight, have a few meetings, have a few more people going into sail. We'll try to catch a bunch of them. Typical Sunday in Phuket. While I wait for more action going on the Fez, Right here. Drone check, dinghy check, captain check.
Okay.
So let me show you what Fez looks like from inside. If you remember, we were coming from there and we saw this. They got a whole cooking thing going, sink, trash, sitting area, a toaster, fridge. Inside there are about 3 double beds, 1 single, and 2 bathrooms. There's a Swift right there. Let's go along Cruiser Island over there. And this is the Fez. A Stealth 12.6 by the way. And now we fly. That was really stressful, but you got it. Now I'm talking to the camera. Guess that's what Java does. Yeah. There are a few people getting ready to sail. I need to learn too at some point.
And so you tack through the wind, and then you right hand side. So you tack through the wind, okay? And then you come back in here.
Good luck.
Everyone safety.
Okay. Done with the shots. I'm not changing the lens now. Is this too close? Is this too close? I'll see you guys later.